Companies are around us. Most times we call them businesses. They offer us services, their product or a combination of both. We spend most of our money on these businesses in exchange for their products or services. The supermarket sells products gotten from different companies, while services are gotten directly from the source. A company is a business owned, managed, controlled, and financed by people who are interested in increasing the wealth of the owners of the company. The owners of company are called the shareholders. There are two main types of companies: limited companies and unlimited companies. Unlimited companies are companies where the liabilities are unlimited. This means if there is a case of bankruptcy, the assets of the owner can be sold to pay the debt. Most small shops around us are unlimited. A company is limited when it is separate from the owner. This means when anything happens to the business, the owner's personal property is not affected. The objective of a limited company is to maximize the wealth of the shareholders. A limited company can be limited by shares or by guarantee. When a company is limited by shares, it means that the liabilities of the owner is limited to their shares in the company. This means even if the company is bankrupt, the personal belongings of the owners will not be sold to pay the debt. When a company is limited by guarantee, if the company goes bankrupt, the owners will pay the amount they promised to pay in such a situation. There are two types of limited companies. A limited company can either be private or public. In a private limited company, the owners cannot transfer shares. The members cannot be more than 50 and the company cannot sell its shares to the public. Any company that its name ends with LTD is a private limited company. A public limited company or a PLC can do the things the private limited company cannot do. The PLC can sell shares to the public and can have as many shareholders as possible. Knowing the different types of companies help us to know how they work and what can happen when the business becomes bankrupt. We have learned about what a company is and the different types of companies. We also learned that in an unlimited company, the owner's assets can be sold in case of bankruptcy, but in a limited liability company, the owner's assets are safe. See you in my next class, guys.